Hey guys, in this video we are going to go over page 38, elimination in the real world. So go ahead and add page 38 to your table of contents and I will give you the half sheet to tape down for this page. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with page 38. So our goal for this page is to use elimination to solve a real world system. So we're going to write two linear equations that look like this. Ax plus by equals c, and we're going to write two of them. And remember, for elimination, we are going to eliminate either our variable x or our variable y first. So let's go ahead and look at an example. Jamie is paddling her kayak on a river. She first paddles downstream with the current from her commute to a picnic area where she eats lunch. She then paddles upstream back to her campsite. When are Jamie's paddling speed in still water and the speed of the river's constant? So we're going to write an equation. So it says Jamie paddles 6 miles per hour with the current and paddles 2 miles per hour against the current. So we're going to write two equations. Blank x plus blank y is equal to a total amount of blank. So first we'll talk about paddling with the current. So her speed that she's paddling, x, plus her speed of the current, y, is equal to 6 miles per hour with the current. Now, the other equation, blank x plus blank y, is equal to blank. So this is going to be against the current. So we're actually going to make this minus y because we're actually not with the current, we're going against the current. So our speed of paddling, 1x, minus the speed of the current, 1y, is equal to 2 miles per hour without the current. So now this is the equation that we're going to solve. So reviewing page 37 notes and page 36 notes, we have 1x and 1x. So 1x and 1x have the same sign. So we're going to subtract our equations to solve. So I'm going to put my minus sign and I'm going to draw my line. So 1x minus 1x is 0. 1 minus negative 1 is a positive 2y, and that's equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. And then I divide both sides by 2. So I get that y is equal to 2, and y is the current speed. So now we need to go back to one of our original equations, 1x plus 1, and then instead of y, we're replacing it with 2, and that's equal to 6. So then I have 1x plus 2 is equal to 6. I have to subtract 2 on both sides, so I get 1x is equal to 4. So if 1x is equal to 4, that is my paddling speed. So my solution is 4, 2. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next example. Katie and her friend Alma went to their county's annual fair. Use the information in the photo to write a system of equations. Then solve the system to find the cost of admission and the cost of a ride. So it says Katie pays $39 for admission and rides 6 rides. So she has 1 admission plus 6 rides. So I'm saying A is the admission and R is the number of rides. And that was equal to a total of $39. And then it says Alma pays $51 for admission and 9 rides. So 1 admission plus 9 rides was equal to $51. All right, so I have 1A and 1A. Since they are the same, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to put my little minus sign, draw my line. 1A minus 1A, that's 0. They eliminate. 6 minus 9 is equal to negative 3R. And then 39 minus 51. Put that into the calculator. It's equal to negative 12. So then I divide both sides by negative 3. And R is equal to 4. So that's the number of rides that each of the girls got on. So now I need to figure out how much the admission is. So I'm going to use my original equation. I'm going to plug in 4 for R. And I get this. So I have 1A plus 24 is equal to 39. I'm going to subtract 24 on both sides. So I get that 1A is equal to 15. So the admission costs $15 and the rides cost $4. So our solution is 15, 4. All right, one more example. So Marcus and his friends James go to a festival. Marcus buys 1 game of miniature golf and 3 ride bracelets for a total of $26. So we have mini golf, we'll use M, and then we have ride bracelets, so we'll use R, and the total was $26. So we brought 1 mini golf and 3 rides. So Jane buys 1 game of mini golf and 5 ride bracelets and pays $38. So the second one would be 1M plus 5R equals 38. So we want to write a system, which we just did, that models the situation and find the price of the mini golf game. So we'll figure out what the price of the mini golf game and what the price of the rides are. So 1M and 1M are the same. So we're going to subtract. So 1M minus 1M, that's 0. 3 minus 5 is negative 2R, and that's equal to 26 minus 38, which is negative 12. And then we divide both sides by negative 2. So R is equal to 6. That means the rides are going to cost $6 each. Now we need to go back to our original equation. 1M plus 3 times 6, because that's the price, is equal to 26. So now I'm just going to simplify that. 1M plus 18 is equal to 26. I'm going to subtract 18 on both sides, so I get 1M is equal to 8. So that means our mini golf games cost $8 each. So our solution is 8, 6. So I know that there was a lot in this video. Once you get the hang of writing the equations, it is just all about solving them using elimination like we went over on page 36 and 37. So go ahead and pause the video and get anything down that you missed, and I will go ahead and give you the assignment that goes with page 38 notes.